Okay, so answer to your question, like what are the career options available in Salesforce? The best answer you can get it from this link, Trailhead. So simply go to Salesforce Trailhead and scroll down. You can see the list of career options you find in Salesforce. But at this moment, okay, if you are from completely a different domain or different technology, out of that, Salesforce administrator, developer, and business analyst. These three role you can go and you can start by just completing any training or self-study. Okay, that is possible. In India, you can find a lot of openings available for Salesforce developer, and you can, if you click that, you will come to know the average pay scale and other things in related to that particular role. In India, you can find the Salesforce administrator and the business analyst openings as well. But comparing to the developer, these openings are a little bit less. And comparing to the pay scale, it is little bit less when compared to the developers. In India, you can find a lot of opening for Salesforce developers, but you cannot learn the Salesforce developer directly. First of all, you need to learn, you should learn admin, Salesforce admin, get the basic understanding of the Salesforce. Then if you go ahead and learn the Salesforce developer. When it comes to the development part, it is not like you are going to do a complex a handful of coding and all. Mostly, even though it's named as a developer, 80 to 90% you will be developing the applications from the configurations. Click, drag and drop. The rest of the portions you are going to do coding, and also if you have a basic understanding of the coding, it is fine. Even if you say no, I don't have a coding background, that is absolutely fine. You can learn all these things from basics as part of our training itself. Okay, right from the scratch, we are going to guide you from the coding part, and most of the time you will be doing copy and paste. Okay, so these are the career options available: Salesforce administrator, developer, and business analyst. These things, something you can directly go ahead and enroll, and by like as a by getting a training from institute or doing a self study. Rest of the things like marketing manager, sales manager, Salesforce technical architect, such portions also available, but it needs more a real-time experience. So first get into admin or business analyst or a developer position, get an experience, industry experience, then you can move on to these positions. Okay, so I hope this answer your question. What career options available in Salesforce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. But if I want to go for Salesforce developer, would I have to know anything about programming, or before I join as a Salesforce developer, should I have a prior knowledge?
Okay, regarding the prior knowledge, not there is no prerequisite like this. Suppose if you are going to learn Salesforce development, right? So this is our website. In this website, kindly visit the curriculum part. If you visit the curriculum, you see we have admin, advanced admin, and here development. If you look at that, we are going to teach everything right from the scratch, like introduction to the programming, introduction to Apex, what is variable, how to declare variable, what is operators. Okay, so these things we are going to teach right from the scratch, so you no need to have a coding background. But at the same time, if you have a coding background, that is added advantage. Okay, but if you say no, I'm completely from the non-coding background, I'm completing from the different domain, that is absolutely fine. We are going to teach them everything right from the scratch. All that you need a basic computer knowledge, how to use the computers, and how to a little bit of logical thinking and analytical thinking, that's needed. Okay, programming knowledge not at all a prerequisite to learn Salesforce. You can learn it as part of the training itself, and you are not going to build a complex programs to build a product, because Salesforce itself a product. We are going to do only customization. Most of the time it is going to be a copy and paste. Okay, is that answer your question, or you are still looking for any further clarifications?
Okay, one more query.
Yeah.
How much time should I have to spend to build a confidence in me that I have a development knowledge or anything?
Okay, see, regarding the timing, if somebody comes to us and asks, okay, I'm going to join your training institute and your training, how much time will it take for me to complete all these curriculum? So that is what your question, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, to answer your query, it is not about the time, it is about these topics. Okay, you need to learn all these topics to become a good developer, but the learning depends upon two things, like one that varies on the depends on the that will vary on individuals. One is your understanding level, another thing is how much efforts you put on the daily basis. But to give a rough estimate, okay, it can be lesser or higher. If you are spending 2 to 3 hours per day in practicing, and provided you are average learner, to complete the entire curriculum, admin, development, lightning and all, it will take 3 to 4 months. Suppose you are a good learner and you are also putting a lot of time, okay, maybe more than 4 to 5 hours, the number of days will reduce. On the average, 3 to 4 months, but depends upon the individual, that will vary. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Others, any questions regarding Salesforce learning, Salesforce career? Anyone? Any question?
About your skill development
Sorry,
center,
sorry. What is the query?
can you tell about your development center and what's the program you provided us and what fee structure or time
Okay.
duration?
Regarding the fee structure, I will definitely help you. I hope either you have my number or the admin's number. If not, visit the website. This is our okay, where it is. Okay, this is our WhatsApp number. You can ping us in WhatsApp. We will share you the fee structure for the same. Okay, that depends. That will vary on the topics. But if you want to understand the training model, what we would ask you, we would ask you to go to this Salesforce training. Okay, if you're completely new to Salesforce, visit this website, click Salesforce training. You will have 2 videos, English and Tamil. It will give you a good introduction about what is Salesforce, CRM and all. And if you scroll down, you will see the list of information about Salesforce and the salary as well, Salesforce salary as well. And just below that, we have given the details about the training and what are all the things we are providing as an additional thing as part of the training. And this is the important part. So whoever want to enroll for the training in Aegis Skill Development, please watch this video. This is the video going to help you to understand what is the training methodology we are following. Okay, it's completely new and this is not a typical online training. So kindly visit this website so that you will understand and visit this particular video, watch this video, you will understand the training model and go through the curriculum part and all. And below the curriculum, you can find the demo videos for all the topics. If you click this link, you will get the demo videos and training videos for admin, development, lightning, and all. Okay.
Okay. Did you also provide placement support?
Yes, of
After the
course.
training?
Okay, let me come to the point. So if you scroll down, you will find the list of students got certified from here. And if you scroll down, you will find the super batch champions. And answer to your question, we also provide placements and we have tie-up with few companies and you can find the company details in the website as well. These are the list of students who got placed from Aegis Skill Development. If you want to get in touch with them, just click this button. You will get their LinkedIn ID. You can message them in LinkedIn and you can get to know about the trainings and the methodology we are following and how we are providing the placement support and all. So you can get in touch with all of the things. Regarding the placements, yes, we provide complete placement assistance like interview preparation, mock interviews. We conduct mock interview for you. We help you to prepare the resume. We give you interview questions. Even if you attend any interview, you can very well come back to us and share those interview questions. We will give you solution for the same, so that you can attend that very next interview with the right solution. You can visit this website to get the placement details and the recruiters details. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No. Next.
Okay. Others, any question related to training?
Hello.
Yes.
Hi Ashok, this is Rajinder. Just wanted to switch my career from current one to the Salesforce. So
Sorry, your voice is too low. Could you please repeat and louder?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Yes, tell me.
Currently, I'm working in IT industry only
Okay.
in different domain.
Okay.
So I wanted to switch the technology from current one to the Salesforce.
Okay.
So will that level of my experience is 5 years? So will that be helpful and will this be continue? Will what do you call?
Okay, I got your question. So your
Yeah.
question is, you already have experience in IT as a 5 year, and now you're going to learn Salesforce. So how this industry will treat me? Will they consider me as a fresher, or can I show my experience as well in my next job? That is your question, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. To answer your question, you can project yourself in the two way. One is, if you look at the curriculum is nothing but if somebody works in Salesforce for 8 years, whatever the knowledge they gain as part of their regular work, that is what you are seeing here as a curriculum. This is nothing but our trainers and myself and other trainers experience. As part of this training, we are going to give the real-time projects for you to practice as well, which means whatever the projects we have completed in our past company, we are going to give you all those projects for you to practice as well. So with this, you can get a knowledge of almost 6 to 8 years. But I'm not going to ask you to put in your resume that you know Salesforce for 6 to 8 years. But if you want to keep that out of that 5 years, you can keep 3 years as your old technology, and 2 years if you wish to put Salesforce as your technology. Definitely you can go ahead and keep that, and you can appear for an interview. During the interview, if they ask you question about the projects and all, you can very well keep the projects, what and all we are going to provide as part of the training. That is one option available. Okay. There is one more option that you can keep your profile as it is. 5 years, say for example, 5 years in mainframe. Yes, put it as 5 years in mainframe and mention that you got training in AJ skill development. You completed training for 3 months or 4 months and appear for a certification and complete any certification. Put it in the resume as well. Then appear for a Salesforce interview, saying that you have completed real-time projects as part of your training in AJ skill development, and you have completed these modules and you got a certification. The interview will, the industry will accept you as well. But the difference is package, pay scale. A 4 years experienced Salesforce resources, they are going to get 16 lakhs per annum. That is the current market. That is something you can come to know by visiting this website and watching this video. Simply go to Naukri and search for Salesforce developer. You will come to know the Salesforce developer salary. Okay. Suppose if you are going to keep like, I'm having 5 years of mainframe and I got 3 months of training in Salesforce and now I am appearing for an interview, definitely you will get a job opening, but the pay scale would be, you will be getting 40 to 50% of a decent IT hike. But if you want to get a proper Salesforce hike, and you can go ahead and keep some experience in your resume so that you can expect this kind of hike and pay scale. So this is what the industry currently going on. Okay. So it's up to you. How do you want to project yourself? But anyway, in the both cases, this training will going to definitely help you, because you are not going to just watch video. You are not going to just attend the live sessions. You are going to practice all these topics as part of our training, and you are going to get review for the same. Okay.
Okay. Trainer will give the training on the day-to-day basis, right?
Yes, and okay, this is Rajendra Reddy, right? Rajendra, are you asking this question or Satish?
I
Rajendra,
haven't
Rajendra.
asked any question yet.
Rajender. Okay.
Yeah.
Rajender, I think this is very first time you are interacting with somebody in Aegis skill development, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what I would suggest, Rajender, to understand the training methodology, kindly go to this website and watch this video, or else I will help you with this video link in YouTube so that you will understand the training methodology.
Okay.
Okay. So after watching that video, you give me a call back to us. We'll explain you more about how the training will be take and going on, and how the Q&A sessions happening.
Sir,
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's Satish here. Can I ask question?
Yes, Satish.
So the question here is that I already have the certification, but I want to learn more on live projects, as
Okay.
I might be looking for a job in Canada.
Okay.
I'm traveling over there very soon.
Okay.
So how many projects I'll be able to done with this course that you're providing,
Okay.
and how it will help me to get a job over there,
Okay.
or is there anything else that I need to do for this?
Okay, basically, first thing you have to do is, if you say, sir, I already got trained in Salesforce and I already got certification, visit this website, go to the curriculum, see whether you got the knowledge for all these topics. That is very important, because most of the people say they got trained, they they attend that, I mean, complete some trial head modules and they complete the certification. It's not they got actual training. Most of the people missing these things like deployments, using the tools, like these things. Okay, so if you find, kindly visit the website, go through each and every topic to see whether you got a complete knowledge on all these topics, because these things are very important before you attend any interview. Okay, if you say yes, I visited the website, I go to the curriculum and I gone through all the topics, I got the complete knowledge. All that I need, yeah, a hands-on practice. So if that is your query, from Aegis Skill Development, we are supporting candidates like you as well by providing real-time use cases for all these topics you see in our curriculum. You will be getting access to this folder. In this folder, you'll be getting access to all the topics, use cases, like triggers, integration. For each and every topics, you'll be getting use cases and practice. All the project documentation you will get individual use cases for all the topic. Okay.
So for
After that, you will be given access to 3 real-time projects. One is from manufacturing, one is from manufacturing domain, another one is from insurance domain, another one is from e-commerce domain. Okay, and you will get a video explanation, and you also will get project documentation. It's a complete end-to-end project. These 3 projects you can do it on your own, and we will support you to and guide you how to implement or not. We conduct a regular Q&A sessions. As part of the Q&A session, right, you can simply come and join and share what and all you have done, and you can get a review for the same. Similarly, we'll also correct your mistakes. So this will go, and this is an unlimited session we are providing from Aegis Skill Development. Q&A sessions per day we'll be conducting around 4 to 5 hours of sessions. Anytime out of this session, you can come and join and get a clarification for the same. And this is an unlimited thing. Once you completed all these projects, right, we also help you with interview preparation materials like interview questions and everything, sample resumes, mock interviews, interview question videos, all the materials. And we also conduct you mock interview. Okay, so these are the support we provide for candidates like you. With this support, you can very well keep some experience with you, and you can clear any interview.
okay, the curriculum that you showed onto the websites,
Yes.
is this necessary for the administration part as well? Because I see the trigger and apex over there, and
No. See, I'm saying for the entire curriculum. But if you want to get access only for admin and advanced admin, you can go ahead and enroll only for admin and advanced admin projects alone. You no need to enroll for the others.
what is the duration to complete this curriculum for the admin advanced?
I have already answered this question. From our end, the duration is unlimited. Okay. It purely depends upon the individual, how much time they are going to take.
And all the sessions will be pre-recorded, or are they the live sessions?
It has both.
Oh, okay. Right.
Okay. All right. Any other questions? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, this is Sanjay, sir. Sir,
Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay.
I have watched the training video.
Okay.
Sir, in that it shows we have to daily watch the videos and we have to study ourselves and report to in sheet. Is that,
Sorry.
sir? We have to study ourselves, sir, by watching
Obviously,
videos in live.
if you have to study yourself, right? What
No,
is the
sir.
question exactly
Is
here?
that like any trainer will take classes on daily basis, or we have to study
Take classes.
before
Okay.
we
Do
do
you see
them?
my screen, Sanjay?
Sir,
Do you see my screen?
yes, sir.
Okay. On my left, do you see the timings?
Yes, sir.
So morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. we will take live concepts. Okay, like triggers, Apex, and batch classes, LWC integration. Likewise, the live sessions is keep on going on. Okay. Apart from that, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., then again 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., we take Q&A sessions, which means who are having the doubts or practicing or they got stuck in between or they completed use cases they want to give a review, they will do that here. For example, if you are joining today, okay, you will be given access to all the materials I have showed here. So you will be given access to our Google Drive where you have access to all the materials, development, advanced development, administration, integration, and all. Say, for example, you are enrolling for development, you will be given access to all the videos and say for you are enrolling for LWC, you'll be given access to all the day 1 to day 30 LWC folders, and also you will be given access to the use cases for practice and daily assignments and PDF. So as a trainee, what you will be doing, first, you will be going through the slides and you will be watching the videos to understand the concepts. Then based on that understanding, whatever the assignments we have given at the end of the sessions, you will be doing out by yourself. And you also will be practicing the live use cases at times like this, live use cases or projects. Okay, while watching the video, while doing the use cases, you got stuck. You need someone to guide you, right? Immediately, you can join the Q&A session that going on these timings. 9, 7, 3 p.m. 4. Out of these, any timings you can come and join. The trainer will be available. Actually, this is a Q&A session. Okay, since our trainees are not available today and don't have any queries, we started discussing about the courses now. So you can come and join and get a clarification about whatever the queries you have. And even if you completed any use cases, our trainer will review. But we also conduct live session morning 7 a.m. to 8:30. This is an initiative called Start Your Day with Salesforce from our end. Okay, those topics are quite advanced topic that is keep on going on. It is not like we are going to take everything right from the scratch, because for the basic thing and all you can easily understand from the videos itself. Okay, even while watching the videos, if you don't get a proper understanding, no matter, you can join this Q&A session. Our trainer will be there. We will help you to understand the concept. So the ultimate aim is, one way or other way, you should get a proper understanding to all these concepts, and you should get a implementation knowledge to all the topics and projects. Until you get a proper understanding and knowledge, you can attend as many sessions you want and ask as many questions you want. And this is a lifetime access training we are providing from our end with live Q&A session and live sessions. This is will be keep on going on. There is no limit for the, even after 2 years or 3 years, by the time if there is any upgradation happening, you can still come and join this training. Okay, nobody is going to ask you why you are joining now or not, because whatever the commitment we are going to give from AT Skill Development, it is a lifetime commitment. Okay. You got it, Sanjay?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it good to start with first admin and then studying developer?
First, you have to start with admin. Okay. Once complete at least the basics of admin, you can start development, but don't start right from the development.
Okay. So admin first studying it is
Admin is the basics of Salesforce, so you have to learn admin first.
admin advanced and then level by level it means.
Yes, yes. If you go in a proper order, it will be good for you. Okay. Do anybody have any other queries?
Hey, Ashok.
Hey, hi. Yes, Sanjay.
Is it Salesforce more customer centric? Like, do you have to deal with the customers every day on daily basis or something?
Sorry.
After getting into a Salesforce job, is it more customer centric? Like, do you have to deal with clients?
It depends upon the role you are going to play, Sanjay. It is not anyway related to this curriculum and all. Okay. For example, if you are going to join as a Salesforce administrator, okay.
Okay.
And one thing here you need a proper understanding. Okay, you are calling the term customer. Okay, but you need to understand who are the customer. Say for example, there is a website called Amazon. For Amazon, we are all customers. Correct?
Yeah.
Suppose you are giving IT support to Amazon. Okay, there are employees working in Amazon, right? As a customer support agents and all. Okay, if you are going to give IT support to Amazon,
Okay.
Amazon people are your customer. I mean, who are working inside Amazon as a customer support staff and all, they are your customer if you are going to provide IT support. Okay. So that is the understanding you need here. So as a Salesforce administrator or a developer, you are going to deal with such people. You are not going to deal with the end customer, the end buyer. I mean, the end retail customer. You are not going to deal with them.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to deal with just another company's employee or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You as a Salesforce admin or a developer, you are going to support some employees in the company for their IT support. We are not going to deal with some companies' customers.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Others, any questions? Anything related to Salesforce or anything related to the training? Are we good?
Hello.
Yes, Shivahari.
Yeah, actually, I am from a different domain. Actually, I don't know. Actually, I'm from EC domain.
Okay.
So, I know like C, Java, and data structures. In Salesforce training, how about web development? Like here, C, like HTML, JavaScript, C++. Is they teach full thoroughly or like mid level like?
Okay. Here, everybody, you need understanding here. Salesforce. This is not a technology. Salesforce. So Salesforce, it is a company first of all. Okay, just like the Samsung, Whirlpool, and other thing, Onida. Okay, like that. Salesforce also a company. So Samsung, Whirlpool, and what they are doing? They are creating a products like TV, fridge, AC, and all. They are creating a physical product. Salesforce is a company, they are creating a virtual product. These products, this is not a physical product, it's a virtual products. Okay. As a Salesforce administrator and a developer, we are going to support that product. We are not going to create that product. Okay. If you have to create some product in the web, you might need a vast of programming knowledge. But as a Salesforce administrator and the support, administrator, we are going to support the product. Just like if the AC technician, fridge technician, and all, how they are coming and supporting us. They are not the one who actually build that product, right? They are the technicians who will do the support. If any repair happen, if there is anything you have to done, you will call the technician come to your home and they will repair and they will give it to you. The same thing we are going to do with Salesforce. Salesforce is already built, strong product. We are going to give a customization solution or we are going to give a configuration solution. Okay, so as part of this customization and configuration, you don't need a vast of programming knowledge. If you have a programming knowledge, that is added advantage. But if you say, no, I don't have a programming knowledge, maybe if you have the basics of understanding the basics of HTML, JavaScript, OOPS, it is enough to sustain in the Salesforce. Even if you from the absolutely zero coding knowledge, as part of this training, we are going to teach everything right from the scratch, like giving introduction to HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. If you have a programming knowledge, added advantage. If you don't have a programming knowledge, you don't have to worry about it, because now not we are going to build everything out of program. 90% you are going to work as a point, click, drag and drop. Only 10% we will do customization. Those things also you can do copy and paste. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Any other questions?
Is that Python language involved in this?
Not at all, Sendil. That is what I was telling you.
Okay.
This is not, we are not going to create any product. Okay. We are just going to customize it. That's it. Minimal coding. Even the Salesforce is moving towards like that. So they're going towards zero coding. Whatever, if you took 2012 or 13, by the time when I enter into IT and Salesforce, we used to do a lot of coding to support few features. Nowadays, maybe 300 to 400 lines. Nowadays, Salesforce is eradicating all the 300, 400 lines, and they are giving their own solution. Okay, why you guys are going for coding? Okay, take it this. Lightning flow, use this for automation. Don't go for trigger. So they are going towards zero coding and all. So you don't have to worry about coding in Salesforce. Having a coding knowledge added advantage. Even if not, no problem. You can learn it easily.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Others, any questions? Anything you want to discuss regarding Salesforce or the training?
Ashok, for the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Community Cloud and Marketing Cloud, which will be like better option if you say like?
Okay. See, if you ask me, first learn Salesforce admin. Okay, because that is the ABCD in Salesforce. Next thing, I would recommend you to learn development. Why? Because in India, this is what the skill set required in the market. Admin plus development. If you have admin and development knowledge, you can learn any other product easily. As I mentioned earlier, Salesforce is what? It's nothing but company giving you products. So whatever you are asking, Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, these and all nothing but Salesforce products. Okay. Learning these products is not a very big deal. You can learn anything, these things easily. Provided 10 to 15 days of time if you spend, even an online material help you to learn. But to get a strong hold of Salesforce and to switch between the careers within Salesforce, you should have the good understanding on these things. Salesforce admin and development. Because the career path we can set like that: admin, development. Then we can choose Salesforce consultant as a career path, or you can choose technical architect as a career path. That depends on you. Okay, so whatever question you asked, which one is best, Sales Cloud or Service Cloud or Community Cloud or Marketing Cloud or Commerce Cloud, that depends upon the business you are going to support. Okay, so if you are planning for a Salesforce consultant job, then you have to decide on that. But if you are a beginner at this moment, start with admin, then go for development. Okay.
One more thing, Ashok, regarding certification, is it how hard is it to crack basic administrator or developer certification?
Okay, regarding the certifications, we are supporting college students who are pursuing second year, third years and all. If you look at the certifications and all here, you can find those students as well here. So the Salesforce is giving this certification as very straightforward one. This is not a IIT examination. We have to worry about that. If you learned these topics, okay, very straightforward. If you know what is trigger, how it works, if you know what is SOQL, how it works, you can easily clear certification. But without learning this thing, if you appear for the certification, obviously you will fail. Okay, all that you need to do is you have to spend some time, sit and learn what is what, and at least you should have worked at least one time in this, so that it will be easy for you to clear the certification, because the clearing the certification is not a very big deal. You can easily do it provided you have the proper understanding. It is very straightforward one. It is not a kind of a thing that they are going to give you the tough questions and all, because sales, as I mentioned, Salesforce is a company. They are creating a products. They can distribute the products only if they have the sufficient developers and administrator to support it, right? So they will not put that examination very hard and all. Anybody who is actually worked in that modules, what and all we have showed you, definitely can clear the certification in the first attempt itself.
Do we, I mean, is certification required for a placement in a company as a fresher in IT industry?
No, not at all. We are placing a lot of candidates. The company requirement is very, very minimal. Actually, if you look at for freshers, they're simply asking, they even don't asking them to learn these things, advanced admin or advanced development at all. If they learn these basics, and if they learn these basics, Salesforce development and the basics of Lightning, it is enough as a freshers to get into the IT industry.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Any other questions? Are we good? Anything you want to discuss regarding the training we are doing from AJ Skill Development, or anything related to Salesforce? Okay. So those who joined for the first time, so if you are talking with someone from AJ Skill Development or not, this is the number. You can WhatsApp to this number or call to this number. They will help you to understand the fee structure. If you want to know the curriculum, visit the website, click this curriculum. If you are using mobile phone, if you scroll down the website, you will find the curriculum part. Similarly, if you want to know the placement support and reviews from our other students and all, you can visit this website and you can get to know the placement details and review details of AJ Skill Development. Okay. And if you haven't had a chance to check with our representative from AJ Skill Development, right, better visit the website and watch this particular video. This will give you a good understanding on Salesforce, and this video, it will give you understanding about the training model. So watch this video to understand the training model, and you can reach us anytime to get the fee structure for your training. Okay. And for more demo videos, right, kindly visit this YouTube channel. You will find a lot of demo videos, sample classes we have taken from AJ Skill Development. It is available both in English and Tamil. You can find those videos in our channel. It is AJ Skill Development. And if any one of you want to give a try, Ashok, I'm really interested to join the training, but I want to give a try. I don't want to pay upfront. I want to give a try. Yes, we provide 7 days of trial period. We will be giving you access to the materials, live Q&A sessions and live sessions for 7 days. You can come and join and get the access. You can watch the videos, try the use cases, everything, attend the Q&A session to clarify, just like how you will pay and get all the services. Without paying, you can get our services for 7 days. If you are satisfied with our services, training and coaching and all, then you can enroll for the paid training. And this is the YouTube channel where you will get all the videos of sample of AJ Skill Development. To start with the Salesforce, right, you can visit the web playlist and you can have Salesforce admin training, English training, first 4 days videos. You can start with this one. All right. So thanks everyone for joining today's session, the Q&A session. For more information, please reach us over the phone.
One more thing, Ashok.
Yes.
Yeah. Regarding the training, I'm going to study the recorded video. After that, I'm going to ask doubt to the trainer during the live session.
Correct, correct.
There is no separate batch like thing that is going to take from basics or every basics should be learned from the recorded video.
Yes, see, learning the basics is you will find it very easier, even from the videos. But we will take sessions, live concept explanation and coding practice. We take a single topic out of it. Okay, you see the curriculum. In this curriculum, we take any topic, say for example, Salesforce release preparation, and we will take that particular topic in this timing, morning 7 a.m. to 8:30. It is because one good thing about Salesforce is you don't need the flow of study. Like only if I learn this, I can learn this. Only if I learn this, I can learn this. Not like that. Because once you learn the basics, the very first three topic or first four topic, right? You will get a good understanding about the Salesforce and you can learn the rest of the topics at any time you want. So that we have this session, 7 a.m. to 8:30 session. We pick some random topic and take session on that. You can learn that session, you can attend the session without any prerequisites.
Okay.
Again, when it comes to the development, if you know the basics of Apex, you can attend any sessions out of it. Okay, we are going to take that as a live session, 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Rest of the topics, right, you can learn at your convenience by watching the videos, and you can come and join the Q&A session in these timings, and you can clarify your doubt. And this is going to be an unlimited one.
There's not going to be any limit for recorded videos per day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can watch as many videos, you attend as many live session and live concept explanation session. Because we are doing this program for the last 3.5 years, since 2018. Okay, those who joined with us in 2018 still joining our live session happening today. So from our end, we are now, because this is a community, AJ skill development is a Salesforce community we are developing. As part of the community, we are holding nearly 450 members, more than 450 members. Okay, we are supporting them for last 3.5 years. In their career, they need some guidance. Some people joined in 2018. They now join and learn the LWC training. We are giving all the access because we are going to send you a training agreement as part of the training. And this training agreement is going to valid for lifetime. With this agreement, you can join any sessions anytime. That is no limitation.
Okay.
And this is the community I'm talking about. If you look at that, my Telegram chat. Okay, it is not okay. You see, there are nearly 450 members. Actually, there are few members not available in Telegram. That's the reason it is 450. Actually, it is 450 plus. It is only for registered and paid members. We are doing, all these members are with us for the last 3.5 years. The people who are all doing a training program in Aegis, we are all full-time senior Salesforce developer and doing this training as part-time. So in the 3.5 years, as a part-time trainers, we are able to support 450 members.
And one more thing, I also heard Salesforce has more than 30 certificates or something like that.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Again, coming back to the same thing, Salesforce is a product. Okay. For each product, if you want to support, you need to complete a certification. But one individual need not to know all these products, right?
Okay.
You want to know sales, you go to sales, learn the sales things and get a certification only in sales and support sales related information. Similarly, if you want to support one particular industry, there are in the clouds, I mean, the products available for the industry basis. Okay. You need not to get all this 30 certification to become a Salesforce developer. One certification is enough to become a Salesforce developer.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Others, any questions?
Hi, Ashok, this is Vikas. When the new batch is going to start?
Sorry, who's that? Vikas.
Hi.
Vikas Bahadur.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't get that.
Yeah, when the new batch is going to start?
Okay, Vikas, actually, can I have your WhatsApp number, Vikas? I yet to save it. What is that? What is your WhatsApp number?
9177312398.
Right? This is your. So basically, because this is not a batch-based training, the training model is completely different. You can join the training anytime, any day. I'm going to send you video explaining our training model Okay. Kindly watch that video and give a call back, Vikas, so that you will get a proper understanding. I have sent
Okay.
you 2 videos. Please
Yeah.
watch.
If we attend the course regularly, what is the duration to complete the course?
3 to 4 months it will take.
Okay.
And
Placement
that also,
assistance
the number of days also
provided.
will come down or go high. That depends upon individual understanding and how much efforts they put on daily basis.
Yeah. Placement assistance will also be provided from your side.
Yes. We provide complete placement assistance. I hope I have been explaining that stuff. You can visit our website and click this placement. You will come to know the list of candidates got placed from our end, and you can also check with the candidates LinkedIn to understand the training model and our placement support service. We provide
Right.
placement assistance as well.
Yeah. Right now, I was working in some MNC. So how can I manage these training sessions, timings, and everything?
Sorry, I
My
didn't
time,
understand your
my
question.
shift timing will be in morning 9 to evening 6. I'm
Okay,
working in
because
MNC.
answer to your question, this is a complete unlimited training with all flexibility available. Okay, so watch this video first, get to know the training model. The training model is mainly created for people like you who cannot spend time on the regular training, or who is not capable of, not able to do the 30 hours, 40 hours a continuous training or not. This is a training model we designed to support people like you. You can learn at your convenience, and you can come and join the live session at your convenience and ask a query and get a support at any time. Everything is going to be unlimited with utmost flexibility. Okay.
Okay.
So if you watch these 2 videos, right, you will get a better understanding about this training model.
Okay.
Okay.
Any prior knowledge of Java or something? Any coding language?
No need, because okay, everything as part of the training, we will cover everything right from the scratch.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Before we wind up, anybody have any questions?
Babu from Europe.
Yes, Babu.
Review பண்ணலாமா?
Sorry.
Review
Yes, Babu. We can do a review. Okay. Okay. Please share your screen. We can review.
Okay.
What you have done. So we have our trainee Babu here, and he wants to review what he has done as part of the training. As part of the training, we'll give the trainees use cases to practice. Once they complete it, right, they will join this Q&A session and they will get it reviewed. Yes, Babu, please go ahead and share your screen.
I can audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, Babu.
Okay.
So which case study you want to get reviewed? First
4
one.
That's done.
Application.
Yeah, 4 bits are done. So like the first new.
Okay.
Blood support create பண்ணிருந்தேன். அதுல வந்து blood donor create பண்ணுவேன்.
Okay, do one thing. Give a data. Make sure your all the validation should get fired. Okay.
Okay. Only one validation item.
Okay.
Wait. For the first thing, first reportல wait. District வந்து state field belongs to change based on the field state இருக்கும்.
Okay.
ஸோ அது முடிச்சிருக்கு. இது வந்து வெயிட் வந்து ஃபார்முலா வேலிடேஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
Okay. Can you go to the formula field you have created for eligible for blood donation?
எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் பிளட் டொனேஷன்ங்கிறது இல்லைங்க, நம்ம தனியாக தான் நான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இட்ஸ் நாட் லாஸ்ட் டொனேட்டட் டேட் தானே கொடுத்துருக்கோம்.
No, there is a formula field. Go to the case study. You see there is a request called eligible for blood donation. So you have created it. Okay, open this one.
Did something, customly did something.
Okay. So you have date of birth 94, last meter, weight, fine. Seems like it is working. Okay, now go to blood coordination and create a new record. But I see, hold on here. So you have created a multiple lookup fields here. Why?
இல்லை ஆக்சுவலி வந்து அந்த டேட்டா சொல்லியிருக்கீங்களே, எனக்கு இதில் தான் டவுட் இருந்துச்சு. ஃபோர்த் கேஸ் ஸ்டடியில் தான்.
Okay, actually from our end, we have shared you videos explaining the relationship, right?
Yes.
Okay, have you watched those two videos?
வாட்ச் பண்ணேங்க. இதில் வந்து என்னன்னா, எனக்கு ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல வந்து ரெண்டு மல்டிபிள் கூட யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது இல்லைங்களா?
Correct. My question is, have you watched both videos and tried the examples explained in the video?
Example try பண்ணல.
Please do that, Babu. Okay, don't do the case study directly, because if you do the case study directly, you will not get the proper understanding. So what I see in the screen is you didn't get the proper understanding on what is junction object, how it works. So before always before get a review, first watch the video we have given, try the examples explained in that video so that you will get the proper understanding, then go ahead and try the use cases.
Okay.
If you directly do the use cases without trying the example, you will not get the idea why we have to do all these things, how to do all these things.
Okay.
So this part alone, watch the video first, try all the example, then do this again.
Sure.
Okay, fine, then we can review it all together.
Okay.
All right, fine. Do you have any other query, Babu? Do you have any questions, doubts?
Yeah, from the case studies alone, no problem. Ants இதுல தான் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துச்சு. ஆக்சுவலி ப்ராப்ளம் இந்த அண்ட் பிளட் டோனர்ல. அதான் கேஸ் ஸ்டடிஸ் செகண்ட் ஒரு வீடியோ பார்த்தோன்னே கிளியர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஏஜ் ஸ்கில் அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தோன்னே கிளியர் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay, then this part alone is pending. Okay, better watch the video and try the example explained, then give a try with the case study.
Okay.
All right, fine. Okay, are we good to wind up, guys? Anybody have any questions? Anything you want to discuss? All right. So regarding the Salesforce training, please get in touch with our admin or the team, or visit our website so that you will get a complete insight about the training methodology. If anybody haven't watched the training process, please watch the video explaining the training process and get back to us. We will be having the similar session tomorrow also. If you want to join the tomorrow session at the same time, 7 to 8, you can also join tomorrow. All right. So thanks everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Thank you.